Number 1. 1930 Ford Model A, price, $55,000. Located in Albany, Georgia, this 1930 Ford model at Chop Top Rod is a stunning blend of vintage character and modern high-performance engineering. Originally from Washington State and later brought south, the car has been a show favorite thanks to its sleek chop-top profile and lightweight, powerful setup. Under the hood rests a 445 horsepower Chevy 383 stroker with Stage 2 components and a roller cam, fed by a 750 CFM quick fuel slayer 4-barrel carburetor with electric choke. The engine delivers instant throttle response and impressive acceleration, making the car both exhilarating and dependable. The Mustang 2 front suspension with disc brakes ensures excellent stopping power and smooth, predictable handling, while the Chevy rear end offers durability for high-performance driving. The dark blue body is complemented by a pro-finish top, fiberglass hood, and fenders, giving the car a clean, show-ready appearance. Inside, the tweed interior includes bucket seats up front and a rear bench with removable cushions for added storage access. Modern touches such as a Pioneer audio system and power windows elevate comfort without sacrificing classic appeal. The automatic transmission paired with a locker shifter provides effortless driving. With only 2 owners, fully paid off, and maintained with care, this Model A offers a rare combination of speed, style, and reliability. Lightweight and extremely fast, it is a hot rod designed for enthusiasts seeking something both visually striking and mechanically impressive. Number 2. 1932 Ford Deluxe 3-window coupe. Price, $85,000. Located in Winder, Georgia, this 1932 Ford Deluxe 3-window coupe is an exceptional example of a true steel-body classic built with a high level of craftsmanship and attention to detail. Featuring an original all-steel body, this coupe carries the unmistakable style of early American hot rodding while benefiting from smart modern upgrades that enhance both performance and reliability. Power comes from a dependable 350 Chevy engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and responsive driving experience ideal for cruises, car meets, or long road outings. One of the most impressive aspects of this build is its Jaguar suspension installed at both the front and rear, providing remarkable stability, comfortable ride quality, and sophisticated handling not commonly found in vintage hot rods. The striking red exterior finish highlights the beautiful 3-window design, while the custom tan leather interior complements the car perfectly. Inside, the craftsmanship continues with a banjo steering wheel, quality upholstery, and a refined cabin layout. The Halabrand wheels add classic character while maintaining a polished appearance. Built by Snow White Limited in Fresno, California during the 1990s, the car carries the legacy of a respected builder known for high-end hot rods, with only 15,600 miles driven and a clean title. This coupe has been meticulously cared for. The seller notes that the price is firm, as the car's quality, originality, and condition speak for themselves. Additionally, the seller owns 2 other classics and will remove the remaining listings once one of them sells. This 1932 coupe is an incredible opportunity for collectors seeking originality, performance, and timeless style in a true steel Ford. Number 3. 1941 Plymouth Coupe sales. Price, $15,000. Located in CM, Florida, this 1941 Plymouth Coupe offers enthusiasts a rare chance to own a well-preserved pre-war classic that remains remarkably original. Being sold ASAS, the vehicle represents an untouched example of early 1940s American automotive design, featuring clean lines, rounded fenders, and a timeless silhouette that showcases the iconic style of the era. The car retains its factory configuration with a 6-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission using the traditional 3-on-the-column setup. Its originality is a highlight. Nothing has been altered, making it a perfect candidate for preservation, a period-correct restoration, or even a full custom hot rod project depending on the buyer's vision. Although it does not feature modern amenities such as air conditioning, its authenticity strongly appeals to collectors who appreciate vehicles that remain close to their historic roots, described as being in like-new condition. The body and mechanical components appear well cared for, and the seller notes that the owner, his father, is available to answer questions or arrange viewings. The price is negotiable, providing flexibility for serious buyers interested in securing a classic that is becoming increasingly difficult to find in such untouched form. For enthusiasts seeking a pure, unaltered 1940s coupe that can be enjoyed as is or restored to Cancor condition, this Plymouth stands out as a compelling opportunity. It captures the charm of early motoring and offers an affordable entry point into vintage car ownership with solid potential for future appreciation. Number 4. 1934 Chevrolet Coupe, price, $26,000. Location, Gann, Kentucky. This 1934 Chevrolet Master Sedan Coupe stands out as a rare, true survivor that has not been modified, cut, or transformed into a hot rod. Retaining its full originality, including its factory 6V electrical system, it provides an authentic look into early Chevrolet craftsmanship. With only 1,111 miles shown, it runs, starts, and drives remarkably well. The paint, while not perfect, remains impressive for its age. The interior is also in good shape, maintaining its original character without major deterioration. The seller purchased it as a project but no longer needs it. The price is firm, reflecting the rarity of an unaltered 34 Chevy Coupe. Number 5. 1934 Ford the August 5th Sedan delivery, price, $37,000. Location, Newark, Ohio. This rare all-steel 1934 Ford the 5th 8 Sedan delivery combines timeless Ford styling with reliable modern performance. With 60,000 miles, it remains well cared for and mechanically dependable. Finished in bold orange, the car carries strong street presence and classic proportions. Power comes from a 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. The Mustang front end improves steering and ride quality, making it suitable for both shows and regular cruising. The sedan delivery body style adds further desirability among collectors. The seller is also open to certain trades, including wrecker or rollback trucks. Number 6. 1934 Dodge Coupe, price, $49,900. Location, Winchester, Ohio. This all-steel 1934 Dodge Coupe is a premium, well-built classic showcasing quality craftsmanship throughout. Powered by a 350 Chevy crate engine with a turbo automatic transmission, it offers strong performance and smooth driving. Equipped with a Mustang 2 front suspension, QA1 coilovers, rack and pinion steering, and power front disc brakes, it delivers modern handling and road safety. The polished stainless fuel tank and mufflers complement the clean, show-quality undercarriage. Inside, custom upholstery, an overhead console with Kenwood stereo, matching trunk panels, door locks, and seat belts create a refined cabin. Billet Specialties wheels with new BFG radials complete its stance. IT has passed the NSRA 23-point safety inspection and will appear at the NSRA Nationals in Louisville. Number 7. 1937 Chevrolet Coupe, price, $29,500. Location, Bowling Green, Kentucky. This 1937 Chevrolet Coupe presents a clean, well-maintained classic capturing the charm of late 1930s hot rod styling. Powered by a 350 engine and automatic transmission, it offers dependable performance for both cruising and daily enjoyment. Power steering ensures smooth maneuvering, while front disc brakes provide improved stopping power. The vehicle is rated as used good, reflecting careful use and consistent upkeep. A great entry-level classic for enthusiasts wanting reliability and vintage appeal. Number 8. 1934 Ford Truck, price, $26,500. Location, Cynthiana, Kentucky. This 1934 Ford truck is a classic old-school hot rod with strong traditional appeal. Finished in vibrant red with a white interior, it has unmistakable vintage character. Power comes from a 49 to 53 8BA flathead engine, paired with a 1939 Ford 3-speed toploader manual transmission for an authentic period-correct feel. A dropped front axle gives it classic hot rod stance, while the 8-inch Ford rear end with 2.79 gears ensures stable cruising. Drum brakes at all corners maintain its traditional mechanical setup. Recent upgrades include new brake pads and shocks. The seller is open to trades but not project vehicles. Number 9. 1934 Ford 3-window custom street rod, price $64,500. Located in Hope, Indiana, this custom 1934 Ford 3-window street rod stands as a true high-end build crafted with exceptional attention to detail. Designed for both show-quality presentation and powerful performance, it represents one of the finest examples of a professionally constructed street rod in today's market. Power comes from a Chevrolet 383 cubic inch engine built by Warrior Racing Engines, featuring dual quad carburetors, a roller cam, aluminum heads, and MSD ignition. The engine produces an impressive 453 horsepower on the dyno, with only 200 miles since the build. The powertrain is paired to a 700R automatic transmission and supported by premium components including a Walker radiator, Heights polished tubular front suspension, Flaming River power rack and pinion steering, polished stainless brake lines, and Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes. Comfort and convenience are equally emphasized. The car is equipped with vintage air conditioning that blows ice cold, along with a modern keyless entry system. Inside, the interior was professionally designed and executed by cutters. It features BMW leather, alligator skin inserts, wise guy seating, and German square weave carpeting, all finished with custom stitching to create a refined, show-ready cabin environment. With only 1,783 actual miles, this award-winning Ford has earned multiple honors, including the prestigious Goodyear's DuPont Hot Hues Best Use of Color Award. Originally commissioned by a discerning collector, this offering marks the first time the vehicle has ever been made available for public sale. Virtual viewing and shipping coordination are offered for serious buyers. Located in Hope, Indiana, this 1934 Ford is an outstanding choice for collectors seeking unmatched craftsmanship, premium components, and top-tier show quality. Number 10. 1931 Ford Hot Rod Coupe, Chrome, $36,500, Chelmsford, Massachusetts. This 1931 Ford Hot Rod Coupe is a standout classic that blends old-school craftsmanship with modern performance upgrades, resulting in a highly capable street machine with show-quality appeal. Driven just over 11,000 miles, it remains in strong running condition, supported by an automatic transmission and a well-balanced mechanical setup, finished in a striking green exterior with a clean black interior. This coupe delivers the right mix of vintage attitude and updated comfort. One of its most notable features is the inclusion of a custom trailer, making it ideal for owners who enjoy attending car shows or long-distance events. The car rides on an independent front suspension paired with a 1965 Corvette rear end, giving it impressive road manners compared to many traditional hot rods. Power comes from a new 383 Blueprint motor with only 600 miles on it, equipped with new dual sniper fuel injection for smooth throttle response and increased efficiency. Additional upgrades include new vintage air with heat, ensuring comfort in varying weather conditions. Originally built in 1978, the car carries decades of history while benefiting from continuous updates. The steel body and glass fenders provide both authenticity and durability. The seller notes that the driving lights do not go with the car overall. This 1931 Ford Hot Rod Coupe represents a well-upgraded, well-maintained classic that is fully ready for cruising, showing, and long-term enjoyment. Number 11. 1932 Ford Roadster, $50,000, Hingham, Massachusetts. This 1932 Ford Roadster is a beautifully maintained and well-built example of a Brookville steel body hot rod, offering classic aesthetics paired with strong modern performance. Driven only 8,000 miles, the car presents in very good condition with a clean title and no significant mechanical issues or damage. The exterior is finished in a bold blue that perfectly complements its iconic roadster styling, while the gray interior provides a refined and comfortable driving environment. Power is supplied by a 350 small-block Chevrolet engine paired with a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission, giving the driver full control over its lively and responsive performance. A Ford 9-inch rear end supports the drivetrain with dependable strength, making the car both reliable and enjoyable for long cruises or weekend events. The Roadster also includes a rod-tops roof with zip-in side windows, offering flexibility for open-air driving or enclosed protection as needed. According to the seller, the car runs and drives great but simply isn't being used enough, prompting the sale. Trades may be considered, though boats and motorcycles are specifically excluded. This 1932 Ford Roadster strikes an ideal balance between heritage styling, modern drivability, and steel body authenticity. It is highly appealing to collectors, hot rod enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a classic that's ready to enjoy immediately. Its combination of performance parts and timeless design ensures long-term value and pride of ownership. Number 12. 1935 Ford ZX2 Coupe 2D. Price, $37,500. Located in Harrison, Ohio, this 1935 Ford ZX2 Coupe 2D is a beautifully restored 5-window classic that captures the true charm of pre-war American motoring, while offering thoughtful upgrades that enhance reliability and driving enjoyment. With just over 2,400 miles since its complete frame-off rebuild, this coupe presents itself as a well-preserved and carefully crafted example that is ready for weekend drives, classic car events, or private collection display. The flathead V8 engine remains faithful to the era, but incorporates modern enhancements such as electronic ignition, a high-output 40,000-volt coil, and a 12-volt generator/alternator system. These upgrades ensure smoother starts, improved electrical reliability, and better overall performance compared to factory specifications. An electric fan provides additional cooling support, making the car more comfortable for warmer climates and stop-and-go driving. The 3-speed manual transmission with floor shift delivers an engaging vintage driving experience that enthusiasts appreciate, while the dual exhaust system produces a sweet, nostalgic tone that complements the classic V8 character. Inside, the mohair interior maintains authenticity with its period-correct appearance and comfortable seating. Modern touches such as LED lights and updated gauges enhance usability without compromising originality. The crank-out windshield and roll-down rear window offer excellent ventilation options, and are hallmark features of mid-1930s Ford coupes, finished in a rich green exterior with a tan interior. The car has a visually striking presence that turns heads wherever it goes. For collectors seeking a well-maintained, elegantly restored, and mechanically updated pre-war Ford, this ZX2 Coupe stands out as an exceptional value at its asking price.